ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊಸತಾದ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯಾಯಿನ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪನೀರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಗುರುವಾರ ಕಂಡೆ ನಡಪಾಯಿರು.
ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪಾನೀರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊಸತಾದ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯಾಯಿನ ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪದ ಪದವಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಪಾನೀರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸಭಾಂಗಣಡು ಗುರುವಾರ ಕಾಂಡಾಟನೆ ಮಲ್ದಿದ್ದೇರು. ಆಂಧ್ರಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಮರಾವತಿ ಎಸ್ಆರ್ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿಲು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಅರೋರಾ ಮಲ್ಲಬಿನಿರಾದ ಲೇಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲ್ಪಡೆದು ಸರಿಯಾಯಿನ ಯೋಜನೆ ಇಚ್ಚಾಂದಿನ ಬುಲೆಚಿಲ್ ಅವು ಸರಿಯಾಯಿನ ಬುಲೆಚಿಲ್ ಆತ್ತು ಅವೆ ಕೊಂಚಿ ಯೋಜನಾಬದ್ಧವಾಯಿನ ಕ್ರಮ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಅಂಜಾದ ದೇಶದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಡು ಯೋಜನಾಬದ್ಧ ಬುಲೆಚಿಲ್ಗೆ ಸುರುತ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅವು ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ನಕ್ಲಿನ ಪಣದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಡವೈಕೇರು.
Why I got excited to come to this event is because my first degree has been in civil engineering, and I have graduated many students from architecture and planning department at IIT Roorkee, where I was there for more than 25 years in the Department of Civil Engineering as faculty. And after that I went to Punjab Engineering College deemed to be university, and I was heading that for 5 years. Then I went to BML Munjal University, Gurgaon as Vice Chancellor, and now I am with SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. Amravati, you know, is going to be the capital of Andhra Pradesh. So I am there with them for about 2 years now. Well, architect is somewhere here in my heart, and therefore I got excited to address you all. You know, as we move towards Viksit Bharat 2047, that means we want to be a developed country in 2047. When the country has aspirations to be the developed countries, without infrastructure development, no development happens. And therefore, it is the architects who would be the first community to whom the country will look for. Architects are the nation builders. Without them, nothing will move, because you are given a green field and you have to start from scratch. And to start from scratch means that you have the highest responsibility to ensure that my natural resources are utilized optimally, my each parcel of land is utilized optimally, and the way the world is moving these days, we all are talking of sustainable cities, green cities, energy efficient cities, and whatnot. So the whole concept of design of buildings, town planning, city planning, everything has changed. We now look for smart buildings.
ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿಲು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮೂಡಿ ತಾಯರು ಲೇಸ್ತಾ ಗುರ್ಕಾರ್ಮನ ವಹಿಸಂದು ನಿಕ್ಲು ಮಾತ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆದ ಕುಟುಂಬಗ ಸೇರೊಂದುಳ್ಳರು. ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇನಿ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಬುಲೆದುಂಡು. ಮುಲ್ಪದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಅವಕಾಶ ಪಡೆಯೊಂದು ಎಡ್ಡ ರೀತಿಡು ಬುಲೆಲ ಪಂಡ ತೆರಿಪಾಯರು.
This is the first day as you begin your journey in the wonderful and very exciting field of architecture. This is going to be a very rewarding and exciting career for sure. And as you all know, for your creative fulfillment and having an impact on the society and having diverse career opportunities, this is the best field. As you know, you are joining a family, the Nitte family, which was started in the year 1979 with just 14 high school students. But today we have 43 institutions like NIA, Nitte Institute of Architecture, making us very, very proud, and 25,000 students spread over 3 large campuses in Nitte, Mangalore and Bangalore. It is customary here that as the new students come, all the seniors from the university would come and bless them. And therefore, I will not take much time because on the field and the real advice to you will come from the Honorable Vice Chancellor of SRM University, Professor Arora, who is our guest of honor. At this point of time, I only wish to give you two advice. Point number one, once you have committed to a given program like architecture, don't look here and there. Love what you are doing. Point number one. The point number two is just as simple as this, that is, be the best in your field. If you love what you are doing and if you are best in the field, nothing can stop you. Success will come on your way, and I am quite sure that with the blessings of the parents who are sitting by your side, or some of them may not be here, now with their blessings and with the support of the wonderful faculty of this institute led by Professor Vinod, and we have Nitte and the many other the senior colleagues here, this is going to be a very rewarding.
ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಕುಲ ಸಚಿವರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರ್ಷ ಹಾಲಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮಲ್ಲಬಿನಿರಾದ ಲೇಸಗದ್ದಿಗಿಡಿದ್ದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಮಲ್ಹಾರ್ ಪನ್ಸಾರೆ ಮುತಾಲಿಗಿಡಿದ್ದರು. ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಪಂಡರು. ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವಿನೋದ್ ಅರಾನ ಸಭೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡರು. ಆಡಳಿತ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು ನಿಖಿತಾ ಮಕಸನ ಸಭೆ ಸುಧಾರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.